Hi everyone, I'm Ryan with Talos, and I'm here to show you how to export the KML file from your Talos T60X remote. So this has been something that a lot of people have been asking about, but unfortunately the engineering team ran into a bug where they had to delay this feature, but now it is finally out and available for people to use. So the first thing you're going to want to do is go over to your flight records. So in the top left, you can see your little account icon. Just press that, and then you can see here at the very bottom, you'll see flight records. So you'll just go there, and then now you'll get a history of all the times you've flown, how much you sprayed, etc. So now at the top right, we can just do export, and you're going to be selecting a date range. So if you want to export multiple various fields or various operations, you could do so. So for right now, I'm just gonna do about 2 weeks. So starting on the 18th and here going to the 29th of August. So now we got 2 weeks and press start. So now the flight record will be emailed to your account. So then once that's done, we're pretty much done with the remote here. So now we can go over to our computer. All right, so now we have our email here. So the email is from no reply at add record, and you can say, dear customer, you will find the flight record you requested for your drone. It'll give you your board serial number, and then the date that you requested. And then right here, you'll see a little download link. You just select that, and you'll download those files. And you can see it's in a zip folder right here. You have your KML files right here. So now we can I'm just gonna bring these over to a folder, put those there, replace files with destination, cool. So now that we have our KML files out of the zip folder, I'm just gonna go to Google Earth right here. And this is from the first time out test, so I can just delete this, just so it's clear. And now I'm just gonna hit new, import KML from device. And I'm gonna go to downloads and just select these two right here. Now that it's finished loading, we can see our flight operations right here. So yeah, you can see the spray width, the direction, the area that you've flown your drone, etc. So now basically you can now use these operations for your own vlogging or assisting you with your fields and your operations, etc. So again, I'm Ryan, and that is how you export your KML files from your Talos T60X.